As I said in the previous video, I spent some time inventing these details that were loosely based on the real object, and I added some color at the bottom as if I were trying to do a tablecloth. And in this segment, that I believe is the last one, I'm gonna show you how to put the shadow. What is missing now is the shadow of this object, and do small corrections on these bleedings of the color I put on the imaginary tablecloth. And as you can see, I left my reference picture away long ago. All right, so here I can get a regular pencil, and you don't need a pencil line. You can just add the shadows. I will show you though my thought process. So you're gonna have a shadow of the dish and a shadow of the cup, and especially of the handle. So if your light source is coming this way, you're gonna have your handle more or less coming this way. And you don't need to exaggerate it too much. Here. And this is gonna, I don't know how well you can see these pencil lines. Yeah, that part. And you're gonna lose this here. So just need to be careful here and here. And you don't want this to be too strong pencil lines, so you want to make sure you don't have too many of them. And I'm going to use my number 12 round brush, and I'm going to use a similar wash that I used to make these shadows here. And be fearless. And you can add the shadow here underneath. If you think it's too, you can always lift a little. If you think you went too dark, remember this part of the plate is completely, and this part of the paper was hurt from before. I don't know if you remember, in part 2 we had a little, I had a little bleeding here. And you keep working on your shadow right here. As I mentioned previously, I did not do a video on me painting this area. I thought there's very little learning on this step, because I was just putting some colors that kind of would look like some flowers in a cup, but I was not trying to be realistic nor copying the so just splashing here, giving you the basic idea of applying. In this case in particular, I don't want very hard lines, and that's why I told you that you can just do shadows and apply paint on the shaded areas without using your pencil, because you're gonna see those lines later. Okay. And since this is a danger size because it's almost square, and I put my attention going out of the paper, I decided to put the lines of the tablecloth, making some kind of opposition. And I'm gonna push the viewer to the corner here where I'm gonna sign as soon as I'm satisfied with this corner here. And I'm gonna change brushes. And I'm gonna sign in this corner because I want to, in this painting in particular, the best solution is to make your signature as an act, and this act will balance this displacement to the left. And you can sign wherever you want. I'm signing right here. I used to sign everything and put the membership signatures, honors that I had from some societies. I could have signed in red or even in gold, but I think I honored better my background signing in black. So as I mentioned, I used to put the membership signature, member status, but the truth is so much politics that you don't really feel so excited to be part of certain societies. And nowadays, as we speak, it's 2023, and the prices of shipping paintings for your shows is completely absurd. It's really prohibitive. And a little touch here. This piece of paper in particular is not giving me a break. You can see that the paint is migrating a lot without my permission. you always want your paint to stay where you put. Sometimes you experience migrations. And I'm just trying to make it more pleasant. And that's it. Later on today, I am gonna post a picture on my Facebook and publish the painting on YouTube. And you can always add a little value. I will maybe do something here or not, I am not sure, but that's our painting. And again, the purpose of this video was to show you one possibility of golden color with French ochre and raw umber, a tiny bit of Prussian blue. So for those highlights, I used Cobalt Yellow. But there are many, many ways that you can do your own gold-like color. And I hope you enjoy it. And I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.